I have a Jeep Patriot, I believe this CVT transmission that was dropped off by another shop, and they're experiencing a problem in the transmission. What I'm going to do is attempt to take the pan down, the valve body off, and see if there are any stuck valves. They had like a pressure control solenoid circuit code. I believe there's some other codes. They took it apart, fixed it, put it back together, and they still have issues. So first of all, that ain't good. It's a lot of metal in the pan right there. Okay, that's not good. Now, it's possible that they have some stuck valves in here. I do have a transmission valve body, a JF. This is a JF011E. So I don't have a valve body, I don't believe, that's out where I can check. Because what I was told is that they took every valve out and checked them. Sometimes a person can put the valves in the wrong way. So let me see here. I put the screwdriver here against this bolt so that it doesn't break anything. The screwdriver will bind against this to stop this from extending too far. That way when I'm using that impact gun to get that off. Okay, take this off. I forgot what bolts to take out on this thing, so let's see. That's this one to this one. This is the filter, so I know these go out. It looks clean, but that pan shows something else with that metal inside there. Now I know these bolts here come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe these over here. Want to get this here. I kind of leave this together so I don't have to be guessing on it. And I think this one. What else? These come off. I know these three. 1, 2, and 3. Pull that out. This here. So I can get this out the way. You can remember where these go. There's a big one, a long one, and a short one. So these are all the same, I believe, right here. Yep. Okay. So move this out the way. Now let me see these bolts here. 2, 3, 4. Big one here. This one. All right. So I got this here, and gotta pull this out. All right. Alright, so I'm going to see if any valves are stuck inside here. And then I want to check the the pump and see if they what they did with this pump. They told me they did something, but I like to check and see for sure. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this cover off so I can take this pump out and look at the pump. Nah, I ain't gonna take the pump out first. I'm gonna pick through that valve body. When I saw that metal in the valve body, I want to look at this valve body. See if I can see any bad valves or anything in here. Okay, where's these goes? That. Okay, this. What? Alright, this is valve body bolt. Okay, these are the valve body, the case bolts, the ones that will move up and down when I touch it. So I'm gonna get these out the way. Different sizes. Whew. This one is bigger than that. I know these. Same size, same size, same size. Okay. Short and big. Alright, gotta remember those. Okay, now, something fell off. Did I miss a bolt? Sure did, right there. Missed that one. Alright, now, what we gotta do? We're gonna have to take this thing apart. Move you out to over here, because we have to be over here with this. And I am going to have to remove, figure that out later. There's a spring in there. This thing has to come apart. I get some LED lights and part of them is not working. They said that they last forever. That's a lie. Okay. So let's see. I gotta remember what bolts go to what. Okay. Take this off first. I forgot about this thing. Let's see here. It's got a lot of metal inside this valve body. You can see right here. So there could be some sticking valves in here. I'm gonna have to take this stuff off. First thing, well, take a picture of this so I can remember. I can put it back together faster. When in doubt, you use technology. There's nothing wrong with taking pictures. Remember that. Oh, that means somebody did that. He must have took this one out because this is going around in a circle. Shouldn't. That shouldn't have went around in a circle. That means they had this one out and stripped it out. Probably used a... Yep. They probably used a... Instead of using the correct... I probably used a star. Man, now we got to deal with that. How do you get that off? That don't even want to come out. A lot of times you have a bad one, it's best to just go ahead and replace it. Okay. Alright. Okay, move those to the side. Alright. I can't remember where the check balls are, but this is a plate, so I can probably lift this one up like that. Oh, now this has a lot of metal inside of here. See all that? Now supposedly this valve body was apart, and all the valves were taken out. We'll see.